Mustang time, but as well, it's also El Camino time. So I had a little bit of a water issue on this car. On the passenger side, I described it in my last video, and I decided it's high time to deal with it again. I've already done this before. I have to take the passenger seat out and flip the carpet up and have the carpet dry. But while I'm doing that, I got an idea. This car is gonna need a restoration within the next few years, and it's gonna need a new interior. And I've seen a lot of guys on YouTube, like Cum Laude and a couple other guys with these G bodies. They'll put Mustang, Malibu, Camaro interior in them. And I just wanted to see, because no one's ever done it in an El Camino. They always do it in Malibus, like coupes and sedans with the big back area. I wanted to see if these seats will fit in that car. Now obviously, I'm not gonna put these exact seats in that car permanently. I'm not a moron. I like this car. These are heated black leather seats. No, I'm gonna take some other junkyard Mustang seats and put them in there if these fit. But I didn't want to go ahead and buy the Mustang interior. I know the dashboard will fit. I don't know if the seats will. And I want to know if they do before I end up actually spending $700-800 on interior. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to take the bucket out of this. So that's already done. Saved you some time there. And we're going to take the bench out of here. I've only got 2 bolts holding it in right now. We're going to take that out. We're just going to see if this fits, how it feels. No cutting, no drilling. This isn't going in permanently. But we're just going to see how it looks for later. And that swap will go in at some point, but not right now. Step 1 is done. Step 2 is not done yet, but it should be just as easy. It's only 2 bolts. It's 2 less bolts than that. And then I'll take that out. And matter of fact, now I'm thinking about it, this is going to be a really short video. Uh-oh. This would sure be easier with friends. I need friends. This is what happens when you're a car guy and all of your friends are off working on fucking pipelines and in the Marines and shit. I just need a homie to help take a seat out. Can a homie just get another homie to help take a seat out once in a while? I should have thought this through. It impaled itself. I don't need friends. I don't need friends. I'm a Chad. I do need friends. I miss my friends. This is hard. Oh, fuck. We're not done yet, but this will be a massive improvement. If this seat actually fits, massive improvement. Look at the difference in lumbar support. That's just flat. Like, that's just like a baseball park seat. Perfect. What I'm worried about is how far back it leans and how much space you need for the head. Because I think they sit about just as far up as the other. I just don't know. Let's find out. Would you like to know what I just found out? the headpiece lifts up. You can see how clean that is right here, because I didn't know you could do that. I've owned this car for a decade now. This car has been in my family my whole life. And the seat, all this time. If you listen to the wind really carefully, you can hear my ancestors. They're really disappointed in me. Also, this is the passenger side seat, so I guess I have to try it on the passenger side. But just for now, just for kicks, let's see what it feels like here. Wow, that's rough. Hey, it works. It feels okay. I see a little bit of modification being required. Oh, oh yeah. That is so much better. I can see it now. This is even better than I thought it would be. Okay, let's try the other side now. Does that key work? I just found a door key. Ow. Oh, not only does it work really well. Holy crap, this is awesome. Obviously, I'm gonna need to make a bracket, but I am digging this. Yeah, you sit higher up, but you're not too close to the front. I like it. This is nice. It's a little high. Yeah, let's see. Take this down. Because I don't have this up on my car anyways. I don't know why it's up. Come on. Okay. Go. That's embarrassing how long that took. Oh, yeah. One more back. Okay, now I'm sitting on the back, but I'm super far. Like, I'm not close to the front at all. Put a center console in here. I hope I'll have room for a center console. The center console is really wide on that car. What I'm planning to do is the whole dashboard from that car, the whole center console, and the seats. Now, I don't know if the center console is actually going to work or not, and I know for a fact I'm going to need to make a custom, polished aluminum area where the radio and AC goes, because those aren't going to work. But I've seen Cum Laude, check his channel out by the way, I've seen him make that work with an older S197, so I see no reason why it wouldn't work. But I think we got something here. I think I'm going to go ahead and take the passenger seat back into my car off camera. You don't need to see all that. And put the bench seat in. And I'm going to finish drying out that seat. Yeah, I think you can expect to see a G-Body, my Coyote Mustang interior dash swap pretty soon. Like, within this year, I really want to do this. This is really nice. If you've got any judgments, let me know. If you think it looks nice, let me know. Well, guys,
I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love. I just wanna be the one you love.